This video is brought to you by FlexiSpot. What is up, everyone? This is Jojo the Techie. Glad to have you guys back. In this video, we're going over my super productive and ergonomic desk setup. A lot of changes have taken place since my last desk setup video. The biggest change by far is the desk itself, which is now a FlexiSpot electric height adjustable standing desk, as opposed to my previous static L-shaped desk. This desk was very easy to put together, as you can see. I was able to put it together myself with the occasional help to lift it off the ground and rotate it. I actually went for the largest desk I thought I could fit in the small corner of my living room that I call my office/YouTube studio, which is a 72 by 30 from FlexiSpot's Pro Series. I wanted something that could be both my working desk and my unboxing table at the same time. The specific combination includes the EC3 gray frame and the laminated graphite desktop, which is gorgeous in my opinion. The desk is very sturdy and can hold up to 220 pounds, as you can see here in this demonstration, and can go from 27.2 inches to 46.5 inches high. I have two heights programmed on it, which I was able to do from its keypad and the programmable buttons. One for my sitting position and one for my standing position, which is currently set at 38.2, since I'm only 5 feet tall. I'm still working on improving my posture, which is very important if I ever want back pain to be a thing of the past. Another neat thing about this desk is that it has this button you can press to act as a countdown for when you are supposed to switch from sitting to standing and vice versa. I currently have it set at 45 minutes. I tried to do some decent cable management, but let's face it, I'm no expert at it. At least I managed to keep it just one cable hanging from the front of the desk, and that is to a power strip that I attached with double-sided tape to the bottom. Everything is plugged into this power strip, which allows me to easily move the desk up and down without having to worry about cables getting stuck or not being able to reach. Besides the desk, the other big addition to my setup is a Mac Mini. Yes, you heard that right, but don't worry, I'm still a Chromebook first, Chromebook forever girl. This Mac Mini is a very recent addition and was bought specifically for video editing. Y'all want crispy 4K content? And I want to deliver it, so this is how I'm going to be able to do it. My Chromebook is right beside the Mac Mini, and I have it set up where I can switch back and forth between them, or by just manually switching them, which is no biggie. As far as the mouse and keyboard, well, that is another change I've made. In keeping with ergonomics, I invested in a Logitech Ergo K860 wireless split keyboard and an MX vertical ergonomic mouse. Both of these have easy switch buttons that can allow me to switch from one device to the other. I only wish that the MX vertical mouse had a way to program the top button to switch devices, rather than having to flip it over every time to press the little tiny button in the bottom. It's kind of annoying. The keyboard, however, makes it as easy as it can be. So that's it for my super productive, super ergonomic desktop setup. Hope you guys liked it, and if you're interested in a desk like this one, check out the link in the description below for a discount. See you in the next one.